Hello everyone. If you are preparing for SAT exam, then you will need to do a lot of practice problems across all the chapters. So you will need to find problems, and then you possibly will need a book or some kind of any kind of guidance where you will be solving the problem. So this is the one book that I find very useful. SAT Math Volume 1, and this comes in two volumes. This is Volume 1 and Volume 2, called 1600.io, from these authors, Gota, Daniel, and George. And the good thing about this is it has a lot of problems like these, a lot of problems, and they come with a lot of example problems, solved example problems. So even if you don't take any help, if you go through those solved example problems, you will be able to do this. Now, one suggestion for everyone is, if you are doing any like problem, any exercise, any chapter by chapter, you must keep one pencil handy with you. And what you want to do is, the moment, for example, you are solving these problems, right, like these, you if you solve this problem in mm, first attempt, just do a tick mark, for example, like this. If you are not able to solve in the first attempt, go back and try checking the solution, why you could not solve, or take some help, maybe even use AI or something, and then mark a circle. The reason for the circle is, if you are not able to solve in the first round, first attempt, you need to come back and do all this problem mark circle a second time. So that way you are going through the problems that you have not able to solve the first attempt, and you are only spending time on the problem that you could not solve. There is no point in solving the problem that you are able to solve in the first round. If you want a perfect score, I will suggest do it 3 times. Solve the problem first time, in the second attempt do all the problems. At this time you focus on the timing, where you do the problems, try to do the solve problems in limited time, like 1.5 minutes for each problem. And in the third attempt, do all the circled problems that you could not solve in the first or the second problem. If you do it this way, you will be able to prepare well, score well, and you will be able to do it in limited amount of time. Thank you.